Introductory part is what the polymer monomer. What is exactly mean by the polymer? The polymer means what? It is a substance having a very high molecular weight, right? The molecular weight of the polymer is very high and is composed by the many repeating units. The repeating units is known as what? Monomers, right? This poly means what? Many, and mer means what? Unit, right? So the substance which having very high molecular weight and which is composed of many repeating units is known as what? Polymer. Or the alternatively, we can also define the polymer is like this: the process in which the same or different types of the monomer linking together to form large molecule with very high molecular weight is called as polymer. The example of polymer is what? Your polyethylene, right? So this is the polymer. Even PVC, polyvinyl chloride, nylon 66, bakelite, these are the examples of what? Your polymers, right? Polymer means what? It is a process in which the same monomer or different monomer are linking together to form large molecules, and that molecules having what? Very high molecular weight, right? Because monomer combine, it form large molecules, dimer. So obviously it having very high molecular weight, right, is called as what? Polymer. And the well known example of polymer is polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, nylon, bakelites. These all are the examples of what? Polymers, right? Then the next important concept is what? Your monomers. What is meant by the monomer? Monomer is what? Actually, it is the small molecules, right, which combine repeatedly to form the polymer. Or we can also define the monomer in like this: the small individual molecules having what? Very low molecular weight, okay, and with at least two reactive sites combined together in a specific way to form large molecules is called as monomer. The example of monomer is what? Ethylene, vinyl chloride, adipic acid. This is the example of what? Your monomer, right? So monomer combine, it form dimer, dimer it form tetramer, tetramer dimer it form pentamer, like this. So actually monomer is also known as what? Building block polymers. You remember this one: monomer is also known as building block polymers, right? See, this is the two important concept. One is polymers and second one is what? Monomers. So what is mean by the polymer? Polymer means what? The process in which same or different types of the monomer which is linking together to form large molecules with very high molecular weight is known as polymer. Or the substance having high molecular weight and composed of many repeating unit. Example is what? Polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, nylon, bakelites. These are the examples of the polymers. So this polyethylene can be obtained from the monomer. Which monomer? Ethylene. Ethylene undergoes polymerization, it forms polyethylene. Then polyvinyl chloride is obtained from the monomer. Which one? Vinyl chloride, right? Vinyl chloride undergoes polymerization reaction, it form polyvinyl chloride. Even nylon 66, the nylon 66 is obtained from the monomer like as adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, right? So these are the two different monomer is useful in nylon formation. Actually it is the condensation type of the polymer, right? So is that clear to you? Polymers and monomers, right? Then the next important point is the speciality of the polymer, because the polymers are used in the variety of the application, right? Polymer, it is used as a substitute material in various way. It is used in the engineering thermoplastics, right? The well known example of engineering thermoplastic is what? Your polycarbonate, right? This polycarbonate is known as what? Your engineering thermoplastics, because polycarbonate is used for the variety of application, like as a bulletproof material. It is useful for the making the CDs and DVDs, right, for storage devices, okay. It is very tough material. Even it is used in the substitute for the window glasses also. So this is the specialty in what? Engineering thermoplastics, that is polycarbonate. The second specialty of the polymer is what your biodegradable polymer, right? See, most of the polymer does not degrade. There are two different types of the polymer: synthetic polymer and natural polymers. The natural polymer, it can be degrade easily, right? But synthetic polymer does not degrade easily, right? So the biodegradable polymer is very important. The well-known example of biodegradable polymer is PHBV. This is called as polyhydroxybutyrate valerate. So this is your biodegradable polymer, right? So this biodegradable polymer is non-toxic, easily degradable, right? Then third is what your conducting polymer. Conducting polymer, most of the polymer does not conduct the electricity, but it make conducting due to addition of suitable foreign substances, is known as what? Conducting polymers. The example is what your trans polyacetylene, right? Even polyaniline, polyparaffiniline. This is the examples of what your conducting polymer. Then next specialty of the polymer is what it is, the electroluminescent polymer, right? The polymer produces bright light of a different color and which is stimulated electronically is known as what? Electroluminescent polymer. The well-known example of electroluminescent polymer is what? That is your PPV, that is polyparaffiniline vanillin. This is the example of what your electroluminescent polymer. And the last specialty of the polymer is polymer composite. The polymer composite, actually it can be prepared by using the two phase, matrix phase and disperse phase. So araldite is an example. Even Kevlar is also the polymeric composite material. So this is the specialty of the polymer. So in our syllabus, these are the 5 different special polymers are included. The first one is engineering thermoplastics. That engineering thermoplastics is what your polycarbonate, right? Then second one is what your biodegradable polymer. Example is what? PHBV, polyhydroxybutyrate valerate. Third specialty of the polymer is conducting polymer, right? The two types, intrinsic and extrinsic, okay? Trans polyacetylene, polyaniline, polyparaffiniline. These are the, even acetylene undergoes polymerization, it forms polyacetylene. This is the conducting polymer is included. Fourth one is electroluminescent polymer, that is PPV, right? Polyparaffiniline vanillin. And fifth one is polymer composite. These are the 5 different polymers or specialty of the polymer is included in our syllabus. Now we will see one by one. Today, in today's lecture, we will see the engineering thermoplastics, right? After attending this lecture, you will be able to understood what is engineering thermoplastics, then what are the preparation method for preparing the polycarbonate, what are its properties and application of engineering thermoplastics after watching this lecture. So we will start our first top point, that is engineering thermoplastic. The engineering thermoplastic well-known example is what? Polycarbonate. This is included in our syllabus. Actually, engineering thermoplastics, it is the group of polymer which have some special property, right? When compared with the commodity thermoplastics such as polyethylene and polypropylene, right? It having the specialty of the property as compared to the other polymeric material like as a polyethylene and polypropylene, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene, right? They can be subjected to the engineering operations like as the machining. For example, well-known example is engineering thermoplastic is polycarbonate. Then second is ABS polymer, right? Third is polyester. These are the examples of what your engineering thermoplastics. Now, our syllabus, the first polymer is included engineering thermoplastic, that is polycarbonate, right? Which is denoted by PC, polycarbonate. Now, we will see the preparation, properties and application of polycarbonate. How the polycarbonate can be prepared? It can be prepared by using condensation polymerization reaction. What is the condensation polymerization? It is a process in which two different monomer undergoes repeated addition resulting into formation of long chain polymer with the elimination of water, HCl and NH3 is known as condensation polymerization. The basic role of condensation polymerization is we need the two monomer. Which monomer? First monomer is bisphenol A. This is the first monomer. See, this is the structure of what your bisphenol A, and the second structure is diphenyl carbonate. So bisphenol A number one and diphenyl carbonate, these are the two different monomer, right? So it undergoes the polymerization reaction and then it is converted into what? Polycarbonate. So what happen? This hydrogen is removed, this hydrogen is removed, and here is what? This is break carbonyl group which is attached here, right? And it can form polycarbonate, and twice n phenol is obtained as a byproduct, right? So the preparation method of engineering thermoplastics polycarbonate, how it is prepared? Polycarbonate, it can be prepared by using condensation polymerization reaction. In condensation polymerization reaction, we can use two different types of the monomer. Which monomer? First is bisphenol A and second is diphenyl carbonate. So bisphenol A and diphenyl carbonate undergoes polymerization reaction converted into polycarbonate plus twice n phenol is obtained as a byproduct, right? So this is the preparation method of what your polycarbonate. Then this is the structure of what your polycarbonate. The alternative name of the polycarbonate, sometimes it is also known as what your Lexan or Merlon. This is the trade name of what your polycarbonate, and this is the structure of polycarbonate. You remember this one? So in MCQ this question will be asked, choose the correct structure of polycarbonate. So this is the correct structure of polycarbonate, okay? And how it is obtained? It can be obtained from the two different monomer, that is bisphenol A and diphenyl carbonate. After undergoes the polycondensation reaction, then it can form polycarbonate. The trade name is Lexan or Merlon is the trade name of the polycarbonate. Now, what are the properties of the polycarbonate? Polycarbonate, it is having very high tensile strength, right? The tensile strength of polycarbonate is very high, which is 20 times stronger than the steel. You remember this one? The tensile strength of the polycarbonate is very high. It is very hard and tough material, right? Due to this reason, it can be used in the bulletproofing also. Even in the construction field also, this polycarbonate material can be used as a substitute for the window glasses, right? So these are the properties of the polycarbonate. It having very high tensile strength. Then second property of the polycarbonate is it is very transparent material. Polycarbonate is very transparent and its refractive index is around 1.58 is the refractive index of the polycarbonate, okay? So due to high optical clarity, that's why this polycarbonate material mostly it is useful for making the goggles and sunglasses, right? Even your the safety goggles is also made up from the polycarbonate material because it is very transparent material, high optical clarity, and the refractive index of the polycarbonate is 1.58 is the refractive index. Then the third property of the polycarbonate is this polycarbonate, it can be resist to water and many other compound, right? So it is again really important property. It is resistance to the water, right? But it can undergoes hydrolysis slowly in presence of the alkali, right? This is one of the drawbacks for the polycarbonate. It can undergoes hydrolysis reaction in presence of the alkali, but it can resist to the water, right? This is the properties of the polycarbonate. Even polycarbonate material, it is also the heat resistance up to 140 degrees Celsius temperature. It cannot be melt, right? So it is one of the heat resistant material. Actually, the polymeric material it having very low melting point, but this polycarbonate material it is one of the heat resistant material, and its melting point is up to what? 140 degrees Celsius. So it is the heat resistance material. Then polycarbonate, it is also having very low moisture absorption capacity. Then this polycarbonate, it is the crystalline thermoplastic material. You remember this one. Polycarbonate, it is the crystalline thermoplastic material, and the stability of the polycarbonate material. The polycarbonate material, it is highly stable thermally, and oxidation stability is very high of the polycarbonate material. Even the polycarbonate material, it also having very high melting point. The melting point of the polycarbonate is around 265 degrees Celsius is the melting point of the polycarbonate material. So these are the properties of the polycarbonate material. I will again highlight the properties of the polycarbonate. What are the different properties of the polycarbonate? So that's why that polycarbonate material is used in the as a engineering thermoplastics. The properties of the polycarbonate is what? Number one is it is high tensile strength, right? Having high tensile strength, it is means what? It is 5 to 10 times stronger than the steel. That's why it is very hard and tough material. It is used in the bulletproofing purpose also. So it is having very high tensile strength. Second is it is the transparent material, because its refractive index is 1.58 is the refractive index of the polycarbonate, right? Then it is resistance to the water, right? But it can hydrolyze in presence of the alkali solution. Even the polycarbonate, it is also the heat resistant. Up to what? 140 degrees Celsius temperature, it can prevent the heat. It also having low moisture absorption capacity of the polycarbonate material. Then the polycarbonate, it is the crystalline thermoplastics, right? It is the crystalline thermoplastic, and the stability of the polycarbonate is very high, because its thermal and oxidation stability of the polycarbonate material is very high. It also having high melting point. Its melting point is around 265 degrees Celsius is the melting point of the polycarbonate. Okay, so these are the properties of polycarbonate. Okay, then the next important point is the applications of the polycarbonate. See, due to their different properties in the polycarbonate having a wide variety of the application into the different field, because it having really very good property. The first application of the polycarbonate is polycarbonate material. It can be used for making the CDs and DVDs, right? You remember this one. So it can be useful for making the storage devices. Which storage devices? CDs and DVDs. It can be obtained from the polycarbonate material. Again, the important application is polycarbonate. It is used as an insulator for electrical wire insulation. This polycarbonate material can be useful, right? Because it is the bad conductor of the electricity. That's why it is act as one of the insulator for insulation of the cables as well as the wires. For that purpose, this polycarbonate material can be useful. Then again, polycarbonate is used as a bulletproof material, because it is very hard and tough material. That's why it is used as a bulletproof material, right? For bulletproofing purpose, polycarbonate material is used in four-wheeler vehicles. Okay, then it is transparent material. That's why polycarbonate is useful for making what? The safety goggles, right? Due to high optical clarity, it can be used for making what? Safety goggles, sunglasses. Even it is also used in the LCD screen also. LCD means what? Liquid crystal display. The liquid crystal display LCD, which is in the television as well as in the mobile phone also, in smart mobile phone also. So for that display, it also containing what? The polycarbonate material, because it is very transparent material, right? So that's why this polycarbonate, due to high optical clarity, it is used for making the goggles, right? Sunglasses are also used in the LCD screen. This is also the interesting applications of polycarbonate. Then polycarbonate, it is used in construction material, right? For example, it is used as a substitute for the window glass, right? For that purpose also, this polycarbonate material is used in the construction field. It is used for construction material. Example is it is substitute for the window glass. Again, polycarbonate is used for the making the various appliances. For example, polycarbonate and its blend are used in the appliances such as what your refrigerator, right? So that kind of the appliances is made up from the polycarbonate material. That is refrigerator, air conditioner, coffee machine, food mixer. This kind of the appliances which is obtained from what you are the making from the polycarbonate material, right? Polycarbonate and the blend of the polycarbonate, it can be used for making the appliances such as refrigerator, air conditioner, coffee machine, food mixer, okay, even for the food storage container which is also made up from the polycarbonate and which are the reusable and can be conveniently used in the refrigerator and microwave system. So this is the again one of the interesting applications of the polycarbonate. Even polycarbonate material, it is useful for making the plugs, switches, right, for making the sockets in the electricity, right? For that purpose also this polycarbonate material can be useful for making the plugs, sockets and switches, right? Even polycarbonate material is also useful for making the storage devices. For that purpose also polycarbonate material is used. Even polycarbonate are used for all types of the housing appliances and computer peripherals, right? Computer peripherals means the various hardware and software parts which is obtained from the polycarbonate material. So these are the variety of the applications of the polycarbonate. Why? Due to it having the good properties, right? I will again repeat the applications of the polycarbonate. See, the polycarbonate material, it can be useful for making the CDs and DVDs. It is also useful for the thermal wire insulation, right? As an insulator for the cables and wires, because it is the bad conductor of the electricity. It is used for bulletproofing purpose also because it is hard and tough material. It is also used for making the goggles, sunglasses, safety goggles, right? Because it having high optical clarity. It is also used for the construction material, right? Example is what? Substitute for the window glasses. It is also useful for the making the appliances. Which appliances? It polycarbonate and its blend are used in the appliances such as what your refrigerator, right? Even air conditioner, coffee machine, food mixer, right? Even the food storage container which is also made up from the polycarbonate, which are the reusable and can conveniently used in the refrigerator and microwave own system, right? Even it is also useful for making the plugs, sockets, switches of the electricity, right? For that purpose also polycarbonate can be used. Even it is also used for the storage of the jars, that storage of the jars which is also made up from the polycarbonate material. Even polycarbonate are used for all type of housing appliances like as what your computers and the computers peripherals which is obtained from the polycarbonate material because it having the good properties, right? See, this is the slide which indicate the pictorial representation of the applications of the polycarbonate. Yes, so this is what your polycarbonate bottle for storage of the water, right? Water jar making polycarbonate is used, right? This is the first. Second is what your goggles, because it is very transparent material. That's why it is useful for the making the goggles, even the traditional lens, even contact lens, right, which is the polycarbonate lens, right, because high optical clarity. Even it is useful in the cover of what your helmet. For that purpose also this polycarbonate is useful. Here is also it is useful for making the CDs for storage devices, right? Even for the protection of the police, for that purpose also the polycarbonate material is useful. See, this is used in the construction field as a substitute for the window glass, right? For that purpose also this polycarbonate material can be useful. So these are the variety of the applications of the polycarbonate. Okay, so I hope that you understood the concept of the poly